To create an Easypaisa account, start by downloading the Easypaisa mobile application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Register Now option. You will be required to enter your mobile number. So enter the number you want to use for your Easypaisa account and click Next. You will then receive a verification code on your mobile number. Enter this code in the app to verify your number. After verifying your number, you will be asked to create a mobile account PIN. This PIN will be used to secure your account. So choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Next, you will be asked to provide some basic information, including your name, CNIC number, and date of birth. Make sure to enter this information correctly, as it will be used to verify your identity. You will also be asked to set up a username and password for your account. Choose a username that is easy to remember and a password that is strong and secure. After providing all the required information, you will be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of Easypaisa. Read through the terms and conditions carefully and click Agree if you accept them. Your Easypaisa account will then be created and you will be able to use it to send and receive money, pay bills, and make online payments. To activate your account, you will need to visit an Easypaisa shop or a Telenor franchise and provide your CNIC and the mobile number you used to create your account. The agent will verify your information and activate your account. Once your account is activated, you can start using it to make transactions and take advantage of the various services offered by Easypaisa. It is recommended to keep your account information and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. You should also regularly check your account balance and transaction history to ensure that there are no suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and use an Easypaisa account safely and securely.